Jai Hind students. So today we are going to do exercise 9.3 in which we will be doing question number 4 and 5. And in question number 4 we will be doing part A. In question number 5 we will be doing A, C and D. So let us begin with question number 4A. In question number 4A, question is simplify 3x, in bracket it is written 4x minus 5 plus 3, and find its value for, and then in options they are given that the value of x is 3, and in another option it is given that the value of x is 1 by 2. But if you see the question, then you will find that first it is written simplify. So let us simplify, and then we will put the value of x that is given to us. So it is written 3x, then in bracket it is written 4x minus 5, and then it is plus 3. So what you are observing, this is binomial and this is monomial, so we have to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Then this 3x will be getting multiplied by 4x, then plus this 3x will be getting multiplied by minus 5 plus 3. So 3 into 4 is 12, x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus. 3 into 5 is 15, 15x plus 3. This you people get when you simplify it. Now let us putting x equals to 3, we get. What do we get? Let us see that. We have to put it in 12x square minus 15x plus 3. And 12, at place of x we have to write 3. It is mentioned, so we will substitute the value of x as 3. So if it is x square, so it will become 3 square, minus if it is 15x, it means 15 into x. So it means that if the value of x is 3, so it will be meaning 15 into 3 plus 3. So 12 into 3 square will be 9, minus 15 into 3 is 45 plus 3. 12 into 9 is 108, minus 45 plus 3. When you add 108 and 3, you get 111 minus 45. And when you subtract, then you get 66. When you subtract 45 from 111, then the result is 66. So in first part we are getting this as our answer. Now let us see the second part of this. What is given in second part of this question is that now we have to putting x equals to 1 by 2, we get. What do we get? Let us see that. We have to once again place it in the same, that is same expression, that is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. 12x has to be substituted by 1 by 2 square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 12 into 1 by 2 square. So 12 into 1 square will be 1 and 2 square will be 4. Minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Then what will happen is, this is 4 3s are 12. Now let me erase the rest of the parts because you people might have done this. So 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 15 by 2. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. When you divide this 2 by 1, you get 2. 2 into 6 will be 12, minus 15. Now since people can observe here that these two have two different signs, so they will be getting subtracted. So 15 minus 12 is 3, but since this is having greater absolute value, so we will put the negative sign, and in this manner the answer that you people get over here is minus 3 by 2. I hope that question number 4 is clear to you people. Now after question number 4, let us now move on to question number 5. In question number 5, in A part, it is said that you have to add, and adding does not give you much trouble. And what has to be added? A binomial will be getting multiplied by monomial, and those three expressions will be added, which will be getting after multiplication. So let me write that question for you people, then it will be clear to you all. The question is P minus Q, then plus Q minus R, plus R minus P. So P minus Q plus Q minus R plus R minus P. Let us multiply them inside the bracket. And you people know that when you multiply this binomial by monomial, so it will be first P into P. So P into P will be P square. Okay, so P into P will be P square. Then plus into minus will be minus. Then P into Q will be PQ, plus Q into Q will be Q square, plus into minus is minus, Q into R is QR, plus R into R is R square, plus into minus is minus RP. Now let us arrange them all, and when you arrange, see why we are arranging it to write in standard form. So it will be P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus RP. In your standard, this is your answer, but this can also be written as P square plus Q square plus R square. Now minus can be taken common, and then PQ plus QR plus RP. But in your class, this much is sufficient. Now after this, let us now move on to the C part. As far as addition is concerned, you people don't face any problem, but when it comes to subtraction, then there is a problem. But let me tell you people that it is very easy. Only thing is that people need to see the sign and use it correct. So what is mentioned over here? If we read the question, then it is said 3L in bracket L minus 4M plus 5N has to be subtracted from 4L 10N minus 3M plus 2L. So from means we have to use the latter part in beginning, because from that we have to subtract the part which is given in beginning. Okay, so let us do that. From 4L, okay, 4L in bracket 10N minus 3M plus 2L. This has to be subtracted by 3L L minus 4M plus 5N. Okay, so 4L 10N minus 3M plus 2L. Here it is 3L L minus 4M plus 5N. So 4 into 10 is 40, L into L, N is Ln. plus into minus is minus 4 into 3 is 12 ml. Then plus into plus is plus 4 into 2 is 8 and L into L is L square. Now minus into plus is minus 3 into 1 is 3, L into L is L square. Minus into minus is plus 3 into 4 is 12 and L into M is ml. Minus into plus is minus 3 into 5 is 15 and NL, or you can also write LN. So I am repeating once again what have I done over here. What I have done is I have first multiplied sign by sign. Then what I have done is I have multiplied the constant by constant and then the variable by variable. See, 4 plus, they both are positive, so this is positive number. 4 into 10, 40, L into L, N, Ln. Then sign by sign, so plus into minus is minus, 4 into 3 is 12 and L into M is ml. Plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8, L into L is L square. Now let's see over here, the mistake that students commit is this, they don't change the sign. Whereas if you observe it carefully, then you'll observe that this was positive, so became negative. This was negative, so became positive. This was positive, so became negative. When it is getting multiplied by negative term. Okay. So because this was negative, so the sign of all of them have changed when they have been brought outside of the bracket. Here also I have done the same thing. I have multiplied sign by sign, so minus into plus minus, 3 into 1, 3, L into L, L square. So in that way you can do for the rest. Now what I will do is I will arrange the terms. Okay. So let me write 8L square first. And if I have written 8L square, then here comes minus 3L square. I have written L square, then let me see. If you observe here, this 12 ml and minus 12 ml are getting cancelled. Then it is plus 40 ln and minus 15 ln. Then 8 minus 3 is 5, so it is 5L square plus, and 40 minus 15 will be 25, so it will be 25 ln. So this is your answer, which can also be done as if you take 5 common, 5 and L common, so here what will be left? L plus 5n. Okay, so you can also write the answer in this manner. How I have written this 5L in bracket L plus 5n. Let us see that I am showing this step over here to you people. This 5L square can be written as 5 into L, then plus 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into L into n. Now the things that are common is 5 and L. So I have taken 5L common over here. Now what is left? If you have taken 5L, so what is left over here is L, and if you have taken 5L common here, so what is left is 5N. So this is the final answer. But yeah, if you write it till here, then also there is no problem. Now let me do more, and let's do the D part now. In D part, what is mentioned is subtract from 4C minus A plus B plus C, and over here it is 3A in bracket A plus B plus C minus 2B in bracket A minus B plus C. Okay, this has to be subtracted. Now let us solve this and see what do we get. Now this is plus into minus, so minus 4 into 1 4, so we get minus 4 AC. Plus into plus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4 and B into C is BC. Plus 1 into 4 is 4, C into C is C square. Minus, let us put the curly bracket as it is and let's multiply these trinomials by these monomials. 3 into 1 is 3 and thus you get 3a square. A into a will be a square. Plus 3ab plus 3ac. Why? Because 3 into 1 is 3, a into a is a square. Plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3, a into b is ab. 3 into 1 is 3 and a into c is ac. Then let's see here, plus minus into plus will be minus, 2 into 1 2, a into b ab. Then minus into minus will be plus, 2 into 1 2 and b square, plus into minus is minus 2bc. Then this is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. I have written it as it is. Let us see, is something getting reduced over here. 3a square is all alone, so I have written 3a square as it is. Plus 2b square is alone, so I have written plus 2b square as it is. This is 3ab and this is minus 2ab. So 3ab minus 2ab will be giving you 1ab, that will be positive, so it is plus ab, and ac is all unknown over here, so plus 3ac and minus 2bc. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I have joined two terms together, like terms. Now minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square are written as it is. Now you people know that when it is sign of negative outside, all the signs inside the bracket will change. So plus will become minus, so minus 3a square, plus will become minus, so minus 2b square, plus will become minus, so minus ab, plus will become minus, so minus 3ac, and minus will become plus, so it will be plus 2bc. I am repeating it once again. See, this was positive, plus 3a square, so it became minus 3 square, plus 2b square, so minus 2b square, plus ab, so minus ab, plus 3ac, so minus 3ac, minus 2bc, so it is plus 2bc. Now let us arrange all the terms, and we have minus 3a square, minus 2b square, plus 4c square, minus, do we have ab? Yeah, we have ab here. So minus AB, then minus 4AC, is AC anywhere else? Yes. Minus 3AC, then plus 4BC, is BC anywhere else? Yes, at the end, so plus 2BC. Let us see if we have written all the terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have written all of them. Now it will be minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square, then minus ab. Then these two are the like terms. They both have same sign, so they will be getting added, and we'll put negative sign, minus 7ac. Then this is plus 6bc. This is your answer. So I hope that this exercise is clear to you all, and for the remaining exercise we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.